Why do some entrepreneurs build empires while others close within months? The secret lies in a few key factors that determine survival, growth, and success. Let's break them down. Most businesses fail not because of lack of passion, but because of poor strategy, weak management, and underestimating how much money it takes to get started. But here's the good news. You can improve your chances if you take calculated risks, avoid rushing in blindly, and remember, failure is not the end. It's a lesson on the way to success. Before you dive in, ask yourself, is there a real market for my idea? Can I survive months of low or no income? Where will I get financing? What legal risks am I taking? And finally, do I understand my industry inside out? The stronger your answers, the greater your chance of building something that lasts. Entrepreneurial success rests on 7 pillars. 1, vision, a clear dream that guides your company. 2, leadership, inspiring others with optimism and purpose. 3, motivation, treating people as individuals and rewarding teamwork. 4, teamwork, aligning everyone toward a shared goal. 5, competitive advantage, defining why customers should choose you. 6, seizing opportunities, turning problems into growth. 7, innovation, constantly improving products, processes, and ideas. These aren't buzzwords, they're the DNA of every lasting business. Think of Tesla redefining cars, Airbnb transforming travel, or Gore-Tex creating revolutionary textiles. Each of these companies thrived because they combined vision, innovation, and the courage to seize opportunities others ignored. Entrepreneurship isn't just about starting. It's about surviving, growing, and innovating. If you're ready to build something extraordinary, focus on these success factors. Subscribe to MBA Case Study Insights for more business strategies simplified. Stay inspired, stay driven, and keep building your dream.